Cricket Legends, Part 1. Cricket legends are players whose extraordinary skill, passion, and influence have left a lasting mark on the game. From the unmatched batting genius of Sir Donald Bradman, Sachin Tendulkar to the spin wizardry of Muthaiya Muralitharan and Shane Warne, these icons have shaped cricket history. All-rounders like Sir Garfield Sobers and Kapil Dev redefined versatility, while leaders like Clive Lloyd and Ricky Ponting led their teams to glory. Whether through record-breaking feats, game-changing performances, or sheer charisma, these legends have inspired generations and elevated cricket to a global sport rich in tradition and excellence. William Gilbert Grace, year 1848 to 1915. W.G. Grace was a pioneering English cricketer and one of the sport's earliest superstars. Renowned for his batting and all-round abilities, he played a crucial role in popularizing cricket in the 19th century. His long beard and dominant presence made him a legendary figure. Wasim Akram, born 1966. Wasim Akram is a legendary Pakistani fast bowler, widely regarded as one of the greatest left-arm pacers in cricket history. Known for his deadly swing, especially reverse swing, he played a key role in Pakistan's 1992 World Cup victory. He has over 900 international wickets. Adam Craig Gilchrist, born 1971. Adam Gilchrist is an iconic Australian wicketkeeper batsman famous for his explosive batting and agility behind the stumps. He revolutionized the role of the wicketkeeper in modern cricket. Gilchrist was a key figure in Australia's dominance during the 2000s. Alan Robert Border, born 1955. Alan Border was a tough and determined Australian batsman who captained the national team through a challenging era. He played 156 tests and held the record for most test runs at the time of his retirement. Border laid the foundation for Australia's future cricketing success. Waqar Younis, born 1971. Waqar Younis is a former Pakistani fast bowler known for his blistering pace and toe-crushing yorkers. He formed a fearsome bowling partnership with Wasim Akram. Waqar's lethal bowling earned him over 700 international wickets and a lasting legacy in world cricket. Anil Kumble, born 1970. Anil Kumble is one of India's greatest spin bowlers, celebrated for his accuracy, perseverance, and match-winning spells. He took 619 test wickets, including a rare 10-wicket haul in an innings. Kumble also served as captain and coach of the Indian team. Walter Reginald Hammond, year 1903 to 1965. Wally Hammond was a stylish and prolific English batsman, revered for his elegant stroke play and athleticism. He scored over 7,000 test runs and was also a capable bowler. Hammond captained England and was one of the most complete cricketers of his time. Sunil Gavaskar, born 1949. Sunil Gavaskar was a technically sound Indian opening batsman who set new standards in Test cricket. He was the first to score 10,000 runs in tests and often dominated formidable bowling attacks. Gavaskar laid the foundation for India's rise in world cricket. B.S. Chandrasekhar, born 1945. Bhagwat Subramanya Chandrasekhar was a legendary Indian leg spinner, known for his unorthodox and deceptive bowling style. Despite suffering from polio, he turned his disability into strength, baffling batsmen with his spin. He was part of India's famous spin quartet in the 1970s. Brian Lara, born 1969. Brian Lara is a West Indian batting maestro known for his flair, style, and record-breaking innings. He holds the record for the highest individual score in Test cricket, 400*, and first-class cricket, 501*. Lara is celebrated as one of the most elegant and destructive batsmen in history. Stephen Roger Waugh, born 1965. Steve Waugh was a gritty Australian batsman and one of the most successful Test captains in cricket history. Known for his mental toughness, he led Australia to a record number of wins and a long unbeaten streak. Waugh was also a key part of Australia's middle order for over a decade. Sir Richard Hadlee, born 1951. Sir Richard Hadlee is New Zealand's greatest cricketer, a world-class fast bowler and handy batsman. He was the first bowler to take 400 test wickets and played a vital role in New Zealand's rise in international cricket. Hadlee's accuracy and swing made him lethal in all conditions. Sir Clive Lloyd, born 1944. Clive Lloyd was a dominant West Indian captain who led the team during its golden era in the 1970s and early 80s. A powerful left-handed batsman, he guided the West Indies to 2 World Cup victories. Lloyd's leadership helped build one of cricket's most feared teams. Courtney Andrew Walsh, born 1962. Courtney Walsh was a tall, fast West Indian bowler known for his relentless pace and consistency. He was the first bowler to reach 500 Test wickets and formed a lethal partnership with Curtly Ambrose. Walsh was also admired for his sportsmanship and longevity. Sir Leonard Hutton, year 1916 to 1990. Len Hutton was an English opening batsman renowned for his technique and determination. He scored 364 in a Test match, a record at the time, and later became England's first professional captain. Hutton played a key role in post-war English cricket. Sir John Jack Berry Hobbs, year 1882 to 1963. Jack Hobbs is considered one of the greatest opening batsmen in cricket history. He scored over 60,000 first-class runs and 199 centuries, records that still stand. Hobbs combined grace with consistency and played a vital role in shaping modern batting. Mahela Jayawardene, born 1977. Mahela Jayawardene is a stylish Sri Lanka batsman known for his elegance and match-winning knocks. He scored over 10,000 runs in both Tests and ODIs and captained Sri Lanka with distinction. Jayawardene holds the record for the highest partnership in Test cricket. Dennis Lillee, born 1949. Dennis Lillee was a fierce Australian fast bowler admired for his aggression and pace. His intimidating presence and deadly bowling made him a crowd favourite. Lillee formed a fearsome duo with Jeff Thomson and ended with over 350 Test wickets. Sir Isaac Vivian Alexander Richards, born 1952. Viv Richards was a charismatic West Indian batsman known for his swagger and explosive stroke play. He dominated bowlers with ease and played a key role in West Indies' dominance in the 1970s and 80s. Richards is often regarded as the most destructive batsman of his time. Sir Garfield St. Auburn Sobers, born 1936. Sir Gary Sobers is widely regarded as cricket's greatest all-rounder. A brilliant batsman, bowler, and fielder, he was the first player to hit 6 sixes in an over in first-class cricket. Sobers could change a game with both bat and ball, making him a true legend. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.